Hello, Tupus. I'm trying to put the Recoil Spring here. I bought this one on, I think it was on Amazon, and putting on this 610 Mcculloch chainsaw that I'm trying to put it on. I've measured here the spring recoil that I'm going to replace. I measured it from here to here, where let's see, from here to here is about 2.5. Let's see, is it 2.5? Yeah, about 2 inch. It's gonna go into here, where and then from here to which end? Let's see. Oh, that's my saddle. Okay, from here to here is roughly, where is it? Yeah, so it's about 2 inch, so it's gonna be tight. So what I'm planning to do is I'm going to open this. It's under tension. Make sure you have needle nose pliers. Have a needle nose pliers, gloves, and your safety glass. And then what I'm planning to do is I'm going to remove it, tie it with a tie wire here, and squeeze it right against here. This part will go, this end will touch here, and then if I can squeeze this one in and then slowly release this. So that's the plan. Wish me luck, because if the spring comes on, man, that's a headache. They said this one fits, this spring fits my Mcculloch Pro Max 610 chainsaw. So let's see. Alright, I'm just doing it myself, so I won't film it while doing it, but once I get it done, I'll show it to you, what I did, and if this tie wire helps. Alright, see you on the other side. Alright, okay, I've removed it and now put it. You see, I put a little wire here. Hopefully if it comes off, this wire will hold it. I'm gonna take this one out and put it right in there. Where is it? Where is that? So this will have to go into this. And this is how far it goes. Let's see. Yeah. It's now touching this. So you'll have to walk a little bit, just trying to see if you can get it in, and then slowly. So I'll take this one out and then push it in here, then take this wire out later once it's in. Alright, hope this works. Okay, I think I got it in. You see, I think the tie wire there is really helpful, and you need a good pair of needle nose pliers. Like this one here I have. I was able to get it in. So now I'm going to slowly release it, and then or not, I'll hold it like this, cut the wires, cut this wire off, cut or remove that small tie wire there, and then slowly release the coil. Alright, I put this spring back. I think there is no need for you to put this. All you need is a good needle nose pliers, so you can put it in, hold it, you don't need the tie wire, because when I was trying to remove the tie wire, it got stuck in here. It nearly came off, and I managed to remove the tie wire. So the spring is in. I'm gonna put it back. Yeah, I think all you need is a good needle nose pliers. Hold it, then if you can squeeze this in, and then make sure that this one might pop up, so you have to hold it down and release it slowly until it recoils and shape like this, and then you can put it back. Alright, I hope this helped. Okay, this is a spring. This is the one that I bought on Amazon. You can find that also on eBay. That's for Mcculloch Pro Max 610 chainsaw. Alright, I'm signing out. Take care.